Most people out there believe that you need money to make money. That's the philosophy that a lot of us hear about. However, very few people talk about the fact that you need skills to make money. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Tech Hood 254, where we talk about tech, digital entrepreneurship, and innovation. So if you're new to this channel, this is where we help you learn how to make an income online. And we also discuss a few other things related to innovation and tech. So if that kind of stuff floats your boat, welcome home. Now you might want to consider subscribing because we do share a lot of videos just like this one. And if you click the bell icon, you will be notified every single time that we post a video. So let's get right into the video without any further ado. So like I've said, in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about how you can make passive income online in Kenya without any starting capital. Now, most people out there believe that you need money to make money. That's the philosophy that a lot of us hear about. However, very few people talk about the fact that you need skills to make money. So it's not every single instance that you will require money or capital to start making money. There are opportunities that you can use to start making money as long as you've got the skills required. And that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So the first technique that you can use to make money online in Kenya is becoming a content writer or a freelance writer. This is something that you've probably heard about. It's something that I've personally been doing together with my business partner for the longest time before we ventured into other aspects of digital entrepreneurship. Now, as a content writer, what you do is basically you write blog posts, you write articles, you do reviews on products and things like that. It's really lucrative because if you have the skill, if you master the skill of creating quality content, you can make up to 10,000 per article. And this is not that you're going to be able to make that right away. You do have to get that skill in there. But there's a point where you can even make $50 an article, which is 5,000 bob. And that's a lot of money for someone who is just being paid to write articles. So if you are stuck trying to figure out what you need to do, or you want to start making an income online, becoming an online writer or a freelance writer is something that would take you very little capital, little to no capital to start. Of course, you might want to invest a little bit of your money in learning how to start creating content professionally, and you might want to find exceptional people in the industry that have already been doing this type of thing. My business partner and I have also created a training course that we are using to help other people do exactly what we are doing. And if you become pretty good at this, this is something that you can do to pay your bills and a lot more. In fact, you could get to a point where you're making, up to between 100 and 150,000 in a month. So let's go to the next thing that you can use to make money online in Kenya without any starting capital, and this is affiliate marketing. Of course, I've also made a video about affiliate marketing in the past, and you might want to check that out also. I'll leave a card to that in the description. I'll leave a card to that in the top right corner. It's one of the videos that I created while I was still starting out on YouTube, and you'll probably be able to notice that. So affiliate marketing, if you have never heard about this, what is it? And I love to talk about affiliate marketing because it's so lucrative. It has a lot of potential. Basically, what you're doing is you're selling products for somebody else. You're selling a service that belongs to somebody else. So that means you don't need your own product and you don't need your own service, which is super awesome considering that these are the things that might, take up the capital that you are trying to avoid spending if that's what you're trying to do. Or if you don't have any money, you probably want to start off somewhere where you don't need any capital. So in affiliate marketing, you find a product or a service that you identify with, and then you share this product with your network or with other people looking for a similar product, and the company will pay you a commission. Now in Kenya, one of the best affiliate marketing platforms that you could try out is Jumia, because they offer up to 13% for sales in commissions. What this means is you could start posting links to their affiliate products and you could be making money off of that. Now, how do you go about this? You could go about this by starting a YouTube channel, because YouTube is free and you don't really need to have a blog for this. You could review products, you could review phones, you could review whatever it is that Jumia is selling. you could review these products and have an affiliate link. So whenever somebody buys something off of your YouTube channel using the affiliate link from Jumia, you get paid a specific amount of money. Now, I love YouTube in affiliate marketing because you don't really need to have millions or thousands of subscribers to start making money. And I'm going to do a video on how to make money with YouTube. I did that also. You might want to check it out. I'll leave a card to that as well. And I'll also leave links to that in the description box below. YouTube is awesome because you can use this to make videos for free. But as long as you're using the right tags and the right description in your YouTube videos, you don't need to have millions of subscribers. The people looking for your content will be able to find it quite easily. Now, to the final thing that you can use to make money online in Kenya without starting capital. And this is something I've also spoken about previously, and it's a video that got a lot of traction. I'm also leaving a card to that in the top right corner. Make sure to check that out. This is print on demand. Now, what exactly is this? You're not printing any documents. You're not printing any things to do with paper. Print on demand is basically where you are going to be selling clothes. And the best part about print on demand is that you don't need to have your own clothes. You don't need to have any printing material. You don't need to have any equipment. All you need to do is find a platform such as Teespring that enables you to design a t-shirt or to design a product like any piece of item that people can wear. They allow you to design t-shirts and products you can upload to their platform. And whenever somebody buys the t-shirt, you also get paid a commission. How it works is that someone will order the product, and if they like the print or they like the design that you had on the t-shirt, then they will be able to purchase it and you get paid the commission. The best part about it is that you don't need to have the product with you. You don't need to have a warehouse or a storehouse where you keep all these t-shirts. And that's basically it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down in the description because it helps us grow the channel. Share this information with someone who you know is looking for opportunities to make money online. And I'll see you in the next one.